Thousands and thousands of years ago, somewhere in the vast Somaliland desert, there is a dynamic set of caves, and inside these rock formations, you will find detailed, multicolored paintings of cows, humans, other animals, and tribal marks. 350 paintings in total. There's a giraffe, which means they must have had giraffes back here.
Yes.
Because now it's just desert. The cave is called Lasgel.
Hi Drew, welcome to Lasgel.
And believe it or not, it was discovered in 2003 when a French archaeologist came across it. After extensive research since then, it is believed that the paintings are between 7 and 11,000 years old. It's considered to be the oldest known rock art in Africa. Wow. Older than the pyramids of Giza. Here you can see mating cows. It's pregnant.
This is a pregnant cow.
What amazes me the most is how perfectly intact these drawings are, despite a gruesome history of political instability, natural disasters, and war. Every little detail, from the sharp outlines to vibrant colors, are still showing vividly. What kind of paint did they use?
Can you see this guy? He looks like that he's worshiping the cow.
Well, he does. Yeah, cool, man. Even more special was the fact that nobody else was around me. I had this entire place to myself. It's crazy we're just in the middle of nowhere right now. This entire landscape has been unchanged for thousands and thousands of years. As I stood there, I was putting myself in the moment of seeing these ancient humans gathering right here on these stones. What does it all mean? Is there other significance besides just paintings?
This is the only one without color, and maybe it was the end of their lives. We don't know.
These are questions that I will ponder for the rest of my life.